Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve system32 folder keeps popping up at startup in Windows 11. So to fix this problem, click on start, search here CMD, run as administrator. Now here I will give the code in description, copy and paste this first code, press enter and complete this scanning. Once this scanning will be complete, you have to copy and paste this second command and similar way paste in CMD once this complete. And also guys, second command will take some minutes, so complete scanning for both command, and once this both complete, exit command prompt and restart your system. So this way guys you can fix system32 folder keeps popping up at startup. Thanks for watching.